Hi guys, Mitch King with the market recap from Trade Stocks America and Top 10 Stocks. This is Friday, July 18th. We're looking at the NASDAQ Composite, and the indexes responded very sharply up today, rebounded and made up for most of the losses that we had yesterday. So it was a one-day wonder about the shooting of the airline. The latest is that it's the Russian separatists that are against the Ukrainian nation. Putin said he's not part of it, and the net effect is investors are overlooking it. Airliners are diverting their flight routes around the Ukraine, as most of them already have been doing. Here's the NASDAQ here, rebounded up 1.6% today, which is a big move. I'm surprised the market did a rebound and didn't sell off toward the last part of Friday. Here is a 1.6% rebound on the Russell 2000 after hitting 1131. So I still think the Russell is going to be a sideways correction action. Let's take a look at a few stocks. Let's look at some of the shorts. SC's been a short for a while, and it looks like the $19 area would have been the best to cover, but I think it's going to turn over. My guess is that we should start covering here the next day or two on these shorts. Most of them are not working well. This is a new short that came on just a few days ago and now made a higher high today. 693 was a high. So as I mentioned in yesterday's report, this needs to be covered when you make a new high, which occurred today. UTI up 2.2%. I think this has been pretty slow to move down. $12 seems to be a support, so I'm kind of losing interest when they don't go the direction I think it should in the first 3 or 4 days. And this was a short about at 12.46, so it's about a break even on this one. EXAS is a short that probably needs a few more days. See if we get down to low 15 to try to make a little money on it. Here's an example of a long that did rebound. MLM up 1.8%. DTV is gradually uptrending, looking good here. Nice move on OHI, up 2% today, and did make an all-time new high. Nice trade of the day on BIOF. The stock came from 7, went up to just under $10, closed around 8.75. Good day trading action on this on Monday. You guys take care. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you Monday.